Hi students, through this video we are going to discuss about meaning and definition of operation research. Let us see its meaning. Operation research means to apply scientific and mathematical method for decision making and problem solving. The main objective of operation research is to give solution to the problem. Have you seen any person or business without problem? Definitely not. What can you see in the PPT? It is a ship. Do you know? Ship is very safe when it is in harbor, but it is not made for that purpose. When it is travel in the sea area, it has to face lot of problems like storms, but it is facing all these problems and giving benefit to the people. Like that, every person and every business has its own problem. So we have to find solution for the problem at each and every situation. Even OR does not provide decision. It gives quantitative data to the manager or respective person to take decision. It gives lot of alternative solution. We have to take best solution from the alternative one. If somebody asks you, how do I get Chennai? You may give lot of choice, by bus, by car, by train, by flight. Like that, every problem has lot of solution, but we have to take optimal solution for the problem. If the person is very urgent, you may give suggestion, hire a car to reach Chennai. If the person is not urgent, take train ticket to reach Chennai. Solution is based on situation and cost. Can you give solution for this problem? How do I export goods to USA within 5 days at minimum cost? If I choose flight, definitely it will reach within a day. But think about the cost. If I choose ship, it will take 33 days. But that much time is not in my hand. What do? Give best solution for this problem. If you don't know, I will give solution tomorrow class. Or find better solution to different problem. Hence, it is used to solve complex management problems. Success of the business is depending on decision making. When the person take correct decision at the correct time, it will take the organization into high position. Hence, the management should be very careful when it take decision, because it will affect the organization a lot. Let us know about definition of operation research. According to Russell and Westerman, operation research is the application of scientific method to arrive at the optimal solution to the problem. Application means where we can use operation research, just like application of computer. It can be used in banking, education, industry, etc. Scientific method means some procedures has to follow in operation research to get better solution. I already explained it give lot of solution to the problem, but we have to take optimal solution from the alternative solution get from the operation research. It helps to solve the problem in better way. I hope you understand meaning and definition of operation research. Thank you.